Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and this morning I'm going to, well, it's getting close to afternoon, but I'm going to go on and fix some chicken breast tenderloins, chicken strips, I guess, is what I'm going to do. And you know I'm on keto, and so I can't use flour for the breading. So in here I've got 2 eggs. This is the egg mixture. I've got 2 eggs in here with some heavy whipping cream. That's in there. And then in here, this is going to be my breading. And this is unblanched almond flour meal. We're going to see what it tastes like. You can you see the, I think it should work out okay. We're going to see. And in my frying pan here, I've got a half a stick of butter and about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And so we're going to see how this works out and make sure that it tastes okay and all that. So I'm going to let this melt. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I've got, let's see, got my fork here, and I'm going to take, I'm not going to salt these until I get them all in the pan, and then I'll salt them. I could put salt in the flour mixture, but I'm not going to do that either. So I'm just going to drop some chicken strips in the egg mixture. Alright, and get this all coated with the egg mixture, and then I'm going to shake it off and put it in here in this flour mixture and see. Now it's really coating it good, so we're gonna see. Let me show you. See, it's really coating it good. Alright, so I'm going to go on and put this in here. Get another piece. Wow, it really is coating it good. So if it, we're going to see how it works. I've seen other people do this. Or you also can use pork skin. Grind up your pork skins in your food processor or whatever, or get those and bread it with those. And I've got some, but they're hot. It's hot pork skin, so I just wanted to do this flour and see how it works. And also, so y'all can see, I'm just taking it and putting it in here and coating it with the egg mixture first, and then the flour, and putting it in the pan. There it is in the pan. And then once I get all of them in the pan, then I'll salt and pepper them. Alright, so I'm gonna go on and do this, and I'll bring you back when I get the pan full. Okay, I'm back. Alright, it's unbelievable, but I got them all in one pan. So I'm going to, I've got my Himalayan pink salt, and I'm just going to sprinkle salt all over them. Alright, and then I've got coarse ground black pepper. And I'm just going to put that all over them. I like lots of pepper. Alright. Now let's see. These up here, it's been in here for a while. Let's see what they... Oh, come on. Oh, look. Wow. Oh, no, don't. I am just not good anymore with my hands and doing stuff like this. That looks really good. Let's see. Look at that one. Yes, that looks really good. All right, let's check this. Well, let's go back to this one. All right, I can't do this and with the camera here and it does put a breading on it, but the breading's coming off the way that I'm doing these. So, but anyway, I'm gonna let them cook until they're done, and then we'll, I'll bring you back and we'll taste these and see what they taste like. Okay, I'm back. All right, here's the chicken, and I think it's done. I told Regina, and I know y'all are gonna think it's crazy, but I have never ever bought chicken strips like this. Never. I don't know why. First off, I really don't like the breast. And also, I always noticed that they were a lot higher than getting like a whole chicken or a whole pack of legs or a whole pack of thighs, or the tenderloins were always higher. And so I've always had to watch my food and I mean my price of the food, and so I've never ever bought them. Now I've had breast, like Walmart has the, you know, the big pieces of breast and boneless, skinless breast, and I've bought those and cut them up into chunks, but never into strips. So this is a first for me at fixing these. I've usually always cooked them as the you know, the whole thigh or the whole leg, and then got the meat off of them, but never strips like this. So I'm really, Regina's the one that's telling me whether it's done or not. So I think these are done. I'm just gonna let them cook a few more minutes just for, and then I've got this piece right here. Let me zoom in and show you. See, to me, the breast is just, I mean, it's not, it's moist, but to me, it's a lot drier than the thigh. All right, so let me taste this and see. Wow. Get this piece right here with the breading on it. See, it's really crispy. You know what it reminds me of? Almond flour reminds me of cornmeal. It really does. The taste and everything reminds me of cornmeal. That is good. It is just, I mean, it's really kind of better than real flour. Wow. See the breading and all on it? I like that breading. I really do. This is good, y'all. So if you're on a keto diet and you want to fix some fried chicken and bread it, use this almond flour. The blanched the other that you cook with or whatever is super fine, and I'm sure that that would be all right too. But I had this unblanched flour that I had gotten at Walmart, and look at that. And it's just put a really good coating on this. Oh yeah. So you may want to try the unblanched. You can get the little bags of it at Walmart and try that. It really is good. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and other things that you can purchase at Amazon with no extra charge. For y'all, it's just stuff that I use in my kitchen that y'all may be interested in. And so you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.